In this video, I'll show you how you can fix your headset is not detected even when plugged in. Now the first thing we want to try is we want to come down here and search for privacy. Open up the privacy settings. In here you want to find microphone and you want to make sure that it says it's on. Allow apps to access microphone, make sure this is on. After that you want to scroll down and try and check for the app. Let's say it's voice recorder, it's not detected, then you can try and allow it from in here. Now in here you can also see which apps has access to it. So if you can see that like Discord has access to it, you can try and open up Discord and see if microphone works in there. Now if this still doesn't work, what I suggest you do is you come here and search for control panel, open up control panel, click view by large icons and choose sound. In here what you should do is you should go to playback first and make sure you have the correct speakers. These are my correct one, so set as default, properties, use this device and make sure it's turned up. After that head to recording, find the correct microphone, set as default, properties, use this device and make sure it's turned up. Now once you've done that you can close this down and see if it works now. If it still doesn't work, what we can do is we can come to device manager, open up audio inputs and outputs, right click on our microphone and update the driver, and we can also update our speakers. If you're unsure which one is the correct one, you can just try and update all of them and see if that works. Now if this still doesn't work, what I suggest you do is you try and download the software connected to your headset. So if you have a Razer headset, you can Google Razer headset software, and if you know the specific model, so let's say you know the exact name of your headset, you can just Google the name and then software. Then you want to download that, and sometimes that can also fix the issue. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.